This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll take a closer look at drawing, modifying and copying of larger macros such as bracings and trusses. Click on the Smart Copy icon and select one of the vertical bracing macros. When done, press Enter to confirm. Then, following the command line prompts, select two columns on the y-axis of the building, ensuring that one is a corner column. Then zoom in and select the top plane of the beam spanning between the columns by moving and clicking the mouse cursor until the plane is highlighted. When done, press Enter to accept the plane selection. The bracing wasn't copied because the orientation of the two columns are rotated at 90 degrees relative to each other. To accommodate this situation, we need to redraw the bracing. Press the Escape key to cancel the Smart Copy command and click on the bracing icon. From the selection window, double-click Angles, opening the Fix Bracing dialog. And from the Fix the Topside drop-down, select To a Level, and then set the level to Attic Floor and click OK. Then, following the command line prompts, select the same two columns as before, first the left and then the right. From the gusset plate options, double-click on Rectangular Gusset Plate, and for the middle connection, double-click on Bolt and press Enter to confirm. Then close all the open dialogues. Parabuild has automatically recognized that the two columns are orientated differently and has placed one set of gusset plates on the flange of the column and the other on the web. This is why the Smart Copy command for the other bracing didn't work. We'll now look at another bracing configuration. Click on the Smart Copy icon again and click on the macro sphere of the same bracing we tried to copy before. Then press Enter. Now select two columns on the x-axis of the building, first the outside corner column and then the next. Then zoom in and select the top plane of the beam spanning the columns in the same manner as before and press Enter to confirm. The bracing looks peculiar because Parabuild always prefers to draw the bracing parallel to the first column that was selected. This is to avoid gusset plates welded at an angle. In the current situation, we have to draw the plates at an angle. So, press the Escape key to cancel the selection and double-click on the bracing macro sphere. And from the Edit dialog, activate the checkbox Allow Oblique Placement. The bracing is immediately squared, but there's an indication of a collision. The bracing member, connecting at the bottom of the column, is clashing with the inner column flange, while the top connection has an ungainly large gusset plate. The cutting routine in Parabuild, in this case, automatically draws the cut to the outer flange of the column instead of the web. This is easily corrected by moving the bracing. Modify the displacement of the bracing on the left-hand side to 80. And thanks to the continuous collision checks during detailing, you can see in advance any issues that could cause erection problems. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.